be rising every day. What's going on, beautiful people? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to share with you a smoothie I've been making. I do switch it up now and then, but my focus is always to incorporate a large amount and a variety of plant foods, whole plant foods that contain a lot of antioxidants, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These are all important plant compounds that aid in detoxification, provide the body with an abundance of antioxidants. This helps with cellular regeneration, protects against free radicals and harmful chemicals in the environment. A lot of people are deficient in important micronutrients and vitamins and minerals. So I love getting in this smoothie daily just to make sure that I'm getting in the most antioxidants and a wide variety of these important polyphenols. So let's get into the smoothie. I'm going to share with you all the breakdown of these important plant foods and why they're so good for us. So let's get into it. So here we have 3 cups of spring water. I really made the switch to spring water due to the amount of minerals in the water and the chlorine and fluoride in the tap water. If you want my more information on water, look at my water video. I will share that. I added in about a cup of spinach.
Spinach is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, which is important for vision, growth, cell division, reproduction, and immunity. Also contains quercetin, which is an antioxidant that may ward off infection and inflammation. Also contains folic acid or folate or B9, which is essential for normal cellular function, tissue growth, and for pregnant women especially. Contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin health and immune function. K1, which is essential for blood clotting. Iron, that creates hemoglobin. Calcium, and also contains many other minerals and vitamins such as potassium, magnesium, B6, B9, and E.
2 cups of kale, and the leafy greens are especially important, the dark leafy vegetables. A lot of people are very acidic, and these green leafy vegetables help to alkalize the body. They contain important minerals like magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin K, and these are all really good for bone health, eye health, and magnesium in particular is very important for the nervous system. And a lot of people are deficient in magnesium, and a lot of people have anxiety nowadays, and so getting in these leafy greens is especially important. I also have a cup of blueberries.
Blueberries, one of my personal favorites. So blueberries have a type of flavonoid called anthocyanin, which is responsible for the blueberry's color, and it's a powerful antioxidant. Wild blueberries in particular contain the highest amount of antioxidants than any other fruit. Just 1 cup has over 13,000 antioxidants. They also contain folate, which plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, can help reduce mutations in DNA, contains iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and vitamin K. Research suggests that antioxidants decrease inflammation and reduce the risk of certain cancers.
1 cup of strawberries.
Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. They contain an excellent source of calcium, folate, vitamin K, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. And it contains a powerful flavonoid called fisetin that acts as an anti-allergy fighter. Fisetin helps protect your body's T cells, also known as Tregs, and can help your body respond more efficiently to allergens and toxins.
2 ripe bananas.
Bananas are a healthy source of fiber, and they're high in potassium, which is a mineral that promotes heart health and normal blood pressure. Also contains vitamin B6 and vitamin C. They are fiber rich that contain inulin, which is a substance that stimulates the growth of good bacteria in the gut. They also are a prebiotic, which provides fiber to the body to help produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that provides good bacteria in your gut. reducing the risk of colon cancer.
1 teaspoon of raw almond butter.
Butter, high in potassium, calcium, manganese, magnesium, omega-3s, which are anti-inflammatory, choline, and we need choline as it forms the membranes that surround the cells. Vitamin E, an important fat-soluble vitamin, and is a powerful antioxidant that prevents free radicals, which is important for vision, reproduction, health of the brain. It's high in monosaturated fats that help reduce the LDL cholesterol, and research has concluded that eating nuts is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease as well as total cancer and all-cause mortality.
Half a cup of unsweetened coconut yogurt.
Coconut yogurt contains healthy fats. Coconut oil in particular contains medium chain fatty acids known to improve your digestive and immune system. It's a dairy alternative, and dairy products can be very difficult for people to digest. So this makes it great alternatives for those who have digestive issues or lactose intolerant. It's high in calcium, also other vitamins and minerals, and promotes gut health that contains probiotics, which is a great bacteria for the microbiome, which can help decrease inflammation.
And the juice of 1 whole lemon.
And lemons are high in vitamin C. They are antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. So I try to get in the fresh lemon water in the morning, or I'll just add it to my smoothie, and it just gives that extra vitamin C that I need for the day, and really helps with the immune system.
So this is what I try to drink almost every day, and I just notice the difference in terms of my energy. I feel good drinking this, and I know I'm getting in that wide variety of important antioxidants. So thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know what you put in your smoothies. I switch it up every now and then, and especially depending on the season. But I always try to get in those leafy greens. Very, very important, and important to get fiber in as well. So thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. As always, be your beautiful selves, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh food, and be getting in some nature and sunshine and fresh air. When you do that, we will all be rising.